What if I told you that one projector could turn any wall or ceiling into a full-on cinema without a tripod, without messing with your setup? That's exactly what the JMGO N1 Pro promises, but after putting it through its paces, I found there's a lot more to meet the eye. And yes, there are trade-offs. Let's dive in. JMGO N1 Pro product overview. So, what is the JMGO N1 Pro? It's a laser-based home projector made by JMGO, a brand that has been pushing in the home cinema with innovative designs. The N1 model came out as part of their N1 line, offering a flexible, portable projector that's built for serious movie nights, whether in your living room, your garage, or even projecting up on a ceiling. Its standout feature? A built-in gimbal that gives 360 degrees horizontal panning and 135 degrees vertical tilt, so you can aim it basically anywhere. JMGO pitches it as a versatile plug-in-and-go cinematic tool. No need for tripods or fixed mounts. JMGO N1 Pro Performance. Alright, specs are one thing, but how does it actually feel to use day to day? In my real-world testing, the N1 Pro's laser brightness is impressive. It's rated at 3200 ANSI lumens per projector. That means in a moderately dark room, you're getting a crisp, punchy image even if it's not totally blackout level. When watching movies, the autofocus and auto keystone features are a lifesaver. I moved the unit around, on the shelf, tilted up to the ceiling, even outside, and it adjusted almost instantly thanks to its 3D TOF sensors plus CMOS camera system. Reviewers at Projector Reviews noted similar smart correction and object avoidance capabilities. The response feels solid for streaming, gaming, and even Blu-ray playback. Features and tech. Let's break down some of the standout tech in the N1 Pro and why you should care. Triple color laser engine. JMGO uses a proprietary MAUX system, according to XDA developers. This delivers rich, vibrant color and high color gamut coverage, claimed 110% BT 2020. Better color equals more lifelike movies, especially in animated or HDR content. Gimbal stand design. That 360-degree horizontal pan plus 135 degrees vertical tilt really changes setup flexibility. Want to project onto a backyard wall or your ceiling? No extra hardware needed, just pivot. Reviewers at Gadgeteer praise how robust and smooth that motion is. Smart calibrations. Thanks to its TOF sensors and camera, the projector handles auto keystone, autofocus, object avoidance, and smart screen fitting. That means less fiddling when you change position. Smart OS and connectivity. Runs on Android TV 11, so you get access to apps, Google Assistant, Chromecast, and so on. There are 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, USB-A, Wi-Fi, and even 3D Blu-ray plus MEMC support per JMGO specs. Design and build. Physically, the N1 Pro feels solid and premium. The body has a sturdy, almost industrial look, a mix of well-vented surfaces for cooling and a robust adjustable base. The rotating base is smooth, but that also means if you bump the unit, it can swivel easily, something the Gadgeteer review pointed out. The build quality is very good, not flimsy, but not weightless either. Projector Top puts its weight at about 9.9 pounds, which makes it portable around the house or between rooms, although maybe less ideal for ultra-frequent transport. And because of the gimbal design, you can skip tripods or wall mounts if you don't want them. Pros. Incredible setup flexibility thanks to the gimbal 360 degrees, 135 degrees. Rich, vibrant laser color with broad gamut 110% BT 2020. Smart auto calibration, keystone, focus, object avoidance. Android TV 11, 2 HDMI 2.1 makes streaming and gaming easy. Cons. UI or menu can feel sluggish or laggy at times. At 9.9 pounds, it's portable but not lightweight for travel. Final verdict. So, who's the JMGO N1 Pro for, and is it actually worth it? If you want a portable, high-impact home cinema without building a permanent theater, this is a killer pick. The gimbal gives you freedom, ceiling, wall, backyard, you name it. Color quality is fantastic for the price point, and the smart auto-adjust features make setup painless. That said, if you're super picky about having ultra-deep blacks, or you absolutely need lightning-fast UI responsiveness, you might feel some trade-offs. Also, if you're planning to move this projector around a lot, say take it to friends' houses, consider the weight and build carefully.